Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock a forgotten password on any Android phone. First we type this PIN number. This method 100% works on all Android phones. Please watch the full video and follow all the steps to unlock your phone. Emergency call this PIN number. Apply 179520 PIN 5 times. Type this PIN number. You can easily unlock your phone password if you follow all my steps. Emergency call this PIN number. Then restart your phone. Apply 179520. Successfully Android phone password lock have been unlocked. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.